Now, why are we even concerned about optimization in the first place? Well, the reason is specifically tied to our audience. In general, over the last several years, web users have gotten used to quickly loading sites, and there are plenty of statistics out there that indicate that a difference in a second or two can affect your retention rate by 10 to 50%, depending on what statistics that you're looking at. The initial page load is huge because it sets the stage for if a user will actually spend any time on your site at all. Depending on what metrics that you're looking at, people will start leaving your site between 3 and 7 seconds into the loading time for that first page. Because no parts of the website have been cached yet, that initial page load is in general going to be the slowest. But you also have to be concerned about how users feel as they interact with your site. If it feels sluggish, which generally starts to occur after about a 2-second page load, then users will start to feel a little aversion to actually using the site, and they'll go back to the Google page that they found you on and click on the next link until they find something that's more responsive, that's going to allow them to get what they need to get done faster.